Hi, so I'm having this photo. I want to remove this IC from this printed circuit board. So I'm using generative fill. So I will select with the selection tool and then go to edit and I'll go to generative fill. So I will just click on generate. So as you can see, this error is coming out. So how to solve this error? Let's see. Just go to start button and type firewall and just go to firewall and network protection and then advanced settings. Hit yes. So in this dialog box, go to outbound rules and search for this one. So in my case, it is on the top of the list. So I'll just right click on it and disable this rule. So now I'll go to Photoshop and close this window and reopen the Photoshop. And I'll open the photo again onward and select the IC I want to remove with the selection tool. So now I'll go to edit, generative fill and simply click on generate. So as you can see, it is working and there is no error